So, Ranjini, for those who are interested in becoming Reiki practitioners, right? What does the
Yeah,
learning process look like? And what is the most important lesson they should take away?
sure. So as we're speaking, Naveen, again, this is not a serendipity. I can say it is aligned that Reiki
Right.
Raise is a platform for globally bringing awareness to Reiki and getting people onboarded. So it need not be anyone who's listening to this. Don't come only to me. If you align to me, come to me. But if you want to know Reiki, go to reikiraise.com and go
Yeah.
discover the path of how many people have benefited from Reiki. There are 4 levels of Reiki. Level 1
Mhm.
is the physical level. You just touch your body in different parts and you start affirming and intending. Second level
Mhm.
is to do with distance, which means me sitting here can intend Naveen to say, can Naveen be successful in his The Guiding Voice podcast, right? I can just intend, provided Naveen is receptive to this. So there has to be a consent for Naveen and for Anjani to pass that energy as a channel of energy. So that's distance healing in a short form. And so
Mhm.
many other things that are connected. Cellular healing in the distance itself. You can do it with crystals, you can do it with objects, you can do it with healing the past. Even past life can be healed through level 2. Then the third level is to do with the spiritual awakening. Your own energy has a lot of blockages as it transcends, as we
Mhm.
awaken our consciousness. So we need more master symbols to work with it. So that's where we introduce the symbols. Of course, in the second level also we introduce sacred symbols. The third level is advancing the usage of that for own self awakening. And the fourth is the Grandmastership, which I have done, which is to work with your light vehicle. We are all beings of light just in a body, physical body, if you believe this. So, how do we accelerate that and become more lighter as we vibrate with the consciousness of the universe? That's essentially the fourth level. And then many people have introduced parts of Reiki, Kundalini Reiki, Karma Reiki, Dragon Reiki, Chakra Reiki. Those are just manifestations of forms of Reiki, so to say. So the one lesson that people can learn is don't try to do shortcuts. Learn the
Mhm.
lesson and learn it
Right.
so well. Just like you go from first standard to second standard to third standard. You don't skip 2 standards to go to the fourth, right? Same way, learn the lessons, accept it with grace, then move on. You will feel much at ease. So Reiki deals with the dis-ease, which is when you're not at ease with yourself, then you have disease, right? So that's what it is. So that is the lesson.